Yeah, I wanna rap it. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan Lab again, you know. Yeah, man, I see already today we got Alkaline, and he finally dropped the visual to Dangerous Youth. You see me? We already reacted to the audio, you know. Dangerous Youth has been doing crazy vibes, crazy numbers. You see me, I say since he dropped it, now he finally dropped the visuals for it, the official video. We're gonna check it out and see what I got deal with. Dangerous is a crazy, dope track. You see me, I say Dangerous Youth, it fill the gap and fulfill the needs of a lot of us dancer artists been waiting for. You see me, scratch that itch. You see me, yeah man, that few songs nowadays scratch. You see me, I say. So it's been doing crazy numbers, and dog finally dropped the video for it. We'll check it out and see what dog got deal with. You see me, I say you don't know Alkaline been doing this thing. When Alkaline drop, it's a whole event and people are looking. You see me, so we'll check it out. Alkaline, Dangerous Youth. I'm expecting the visuals to be hard because the sound track is actually a good track. You see me, it's a hard track, so the video better up. You see me? So without all much longer, I jump right in that track. Alkaline, Dangerous Youth. Let's get it.
Dangerous.
Dog with the vendetta mask pan the blood clean gang. Dog up on a mission.
Dangerous.
Then dog game a come page. How I go on?
Dangerous.
Tomorrow on the bar send the special them.
Chat him out, get put bomb out. When I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said them here nose. Dangerous Youth.
Do I look at the Alkaline Canada yeah, so dog? The dog got the bomb buckle in 16 out.
Master cool than Alaska, man go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them
Jaja, me know say that I go on in the dog come book them pan the ends, man.
a funeral parlor. Yo that dangerous piece of boy. Walk
Okay, in the Canada in a theme version though.
on the ends and crush it out one chip side. Move for the place, shoes up about and splinter fly. No never give one up blind, stay there think a tie. Fully stick and we go mash up them there. Get this more than all the district if them cross our way. Look here, watch them.
And say, yo, get it more out of district if they cross our way, you know.
Blind, stay there think a tie. Fully stick and we go mash up them there. Get this more than all the district if them cross our way. Look here, watch them up to.
And say, fully stick and we go. You see me get this more than the district if you pass where we are. This look like Atlanta, no. This not Canada. This look like Atlanta.
Get us somebody I go pay. From them, this will be kinda warm and master cool than Alaska, man go do any slaughter. While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor. Yo that
Wow, with the 16, brother. Yeah, them gonna use the yard now, the 16 and the yes,
let him out get put bomb.
You know, I'm 24. You see with this on different thing, Alkaman.
Out bomb out, when I pull it and the fire shot. Fussy run well like I said them here nose. Dangerous Youth. At we at, we are gangster them a handicap.
At. Yo, this guy tell me curious.
Shot. Fussy run well like I said them here nose. Dangerous Youth. At we at, we are gangster them a handicap. And the girl them they and the crutch. Guns and plenty rocks. But them wife she a give the nash. Body end up missing when the
Girl, they name the cry. You see me guns and plenty rocks. And your girl I give away the nash.
we are gangster them a handicap. And the girl them they and the crutch. Guns and plenty rocks. But them wife she a give the nash. Body end up missing when the light a gash. Feel safe here with them. Can't match up, me I tell you that. God them yeah, them a go want a family plot.
Can't match up, me I tell you that. God them yeah, them a go need a family plot.
Light a gash. Feel safe here with them. Can't match up, me I tell you that. God them yeah, them a go want a family plot. Badness from the scratch. Does that welcome at place where them hang out on in a empty spot.
Badness from scratch. Does that welcome at
Badness from the scratch. Does that welcome at place where them hang out on in a empty spot. Real bad
yes,
man.
and they ain't out on an empty spot all of a sudden.
Real dangerous youth. Them can't cut yes when a giant shows. Boy get minds up for your take boost.
Man say, yo, link can cut, yes. We not giant choose over here.
Oh, pull it through and cook that goes. God dead, yeah, that then chose. Our world boy have to pay dues.
Come in, Alka. You're not bossy France so far. Stop lying. I'm first of all. Is that 16? So couple of it come on. Alka. Come in. You're not fire the France so far. Alka, easy. Alka turn sniper. That's 16. No scope, nothing fam. Hey. I say you're dangerous, Alka. No scope, no nothing. Yeah, sure, boy. Come in, Alka, man. At least get a sniper, man. You see me at least put a one blood cleat, a scope on the thing, man. Mad thing. Get the Alka dangerous youth, man, sir. Only thing about on the gang. That do him thing, man. Shout out to Alkaline, bro. Dangerous youth. Really dope track. Very creative, very smooth, very deadly, very calm. You see me full of lyrics. Visuals bad. You see me I say Alka keep doing his thing, man. You see me I say it's a vibe for sure, for sure. You see me I say Alka very creative, one of the most anticipated, one of the, you see me? Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie to you, so big up Alka. You see me, I say he doing his thing. Really dope artist, man. When Alka drop, everybody pay attention, you see me? Yeah, man, no cap. So Alka, keep doing your thing, gang. You don't know what time it is. Let me know what the favorite part was, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, all that good stuff. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support, make you know something done. Sending them, dropping requests, all that good stuff. You know what? You already know what time, gang. Merry Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas when it comes as well. Going live right after this, guys. So look out for that. Going live, having a little Christmas live stream. Gonna play some GTA, some Once Human, and just vibe and chill out, man. Have some fun. You see me? I say. So come join the live stream. Chill out with your boy. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a Christmas marathon. So look out for that as well. We're going crazy tomorrow, gang. No joke. No cap. So look out for that as well. Yeah, and yeah, so till next time, gang, you don't know. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.